I truly salute. Now, we come for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Turn on the notification so that it will notify you every time when we drop our Ogbonge content. West Ham won and Chelsea won. And we get Oga Obama, we'll be like, saying, Ogbonge Chelsea fan may tell us about how you see this game. Oga Obama, how you dey see Chelsea performance and how you dey see especially Chelsea performance for away? Because since October, Chelsea never win any away match. How you see the team performance today?
Which one they don't win for home? Nothing come out now.
Crystal Palace.
Crystal Palace. Now for out of see I see coach now, for example. It's why the coach Chelsea now the 13 game be this. He don't draw 5. Okay, he don't draw 6 today. Like today make a 6. He don't lose 5. He don't win 2. Waiting. Even all the coaches they sack the coach is why they sack. No one don't do it like this. Check am since 2004 when they buy 2004 2005 no coach don to reach like this. You dey talk about away never reach something. Chelsea no fit dey play for second half for more than 10 games. Once they play for first half as e enter second half nothing come out. That one na one. And number 2, that other my fellow Chelsea fan they say they wan pray me Chelsea. No, the prayer go pray me they sack the coach. You no get it you wan pray. This thing no miracle go win Champions League. It's how you say go pray me just pray me they sack the coach. Because for example, see, I know what I get at, they make changes. See Havertz, the full 90 minutes, he did dumb for the match. If you see Havertz play 90 minutes for the match, see that run for fun now what they put for just 70 minutes of our last game. So they fight, so they play. Havertz play 90 minutes, nothing come out. I was surprised Havertz play the full match. For our last, they can't play a sports say, bros, Havertz sporting number 1. You know why? He get better market value. You better sell her now on time where value still go up. Because if I have a player in the season, maybe that 60 where value is now, it go drop on 40 or 35. I have a spot the shares in market now, not before the CH. CH they create chances now. Havertz, that be normal player Chelsea go sell. That be, you not get, if you put up for 10, enough if you play 10. Some my Chelsea fan go say, play for 10, not be 9. Now like, play for 10 is still lazy. You know if you get pass, how about the pass ball? Be like say they use your hand pass ball. The first one to sell for Chelsea, na Havertz. Sell her now. Not be saying not good though. Enough you play the England ball. If not like me, Man U any other club for England buy and now the same thing go still happen. May go buy ammunition anywhere for Bundesliga. Not be England, not go fit. Since when I was a good player, but not fit perform for Chelsea. When he go back to League, numbers they go up. He gets Premier League hard, not be rice and be. See Ronaldo go start everybody score 5 goals. When he take my body, they tell him. Yeah, Premier League hard.
So how you see Joe Felix performance today? We know say we see small thing. He show us more highlights against Fulham where they go get that red card. But today now, how you see this performance when he performed today?
Fantastic. All the new signing they play, we just need coach. We need coach. It is obvious now. We they play. We they play. Even if Loftus-Cheek they do much, but pressure not to do on Chelsea, at least they try. You want make sure you they find winning, you come out Loftus-Cheek, they put Gallagher. Gallagher na player supposed to put if you they win, you want draw game, or you maybe they win, you don't make the game draw, you just put Gallagher, make the attack. If they put Gallagher for match, they find go boy not sabi pass. If you I would say not get yellow card today. Gallagher na be officer of yellow card. If you not get yellow, very soon go get red. Attack, they very aggressive. Football sense 0, nothing come out. So the team be saying they very funny. I'm not gonna surprise if I check my nets later in the night. I see the soccer, but now they are club. But what you know be say these guys are billionaires. If they will lose money or you get other business for it, if Chelsea lose today, now the fans they affect, not be the owner. Forget how much he spend, he go make the money back.
So what about Cucurella? How you see him performance today?
0.
So to you not get anything where you go pick come up for Cucurella performance.
You not get what he sabi. If he pass ball, if he see you they come, he go fear. I not be professional. If I play for big field, I go shake, but I go try back Cucurella.
So with what you see this season, where you feel predicting that in Chelsea go finish?
8. Even that 8 self, that one if they improve. 8. See, bros, check out. The gap not too far. We get opportunity to close the gap to go like top 5 or top 6. Like our last 3 matches, win against Fulham, win go top 6, you lose. Against Liverpool, win go top 6, you draw. Fulham again sef. Win go top 6, you draw. Today again, win go top 6, you draw. They swear for her. Who they will swear for sell the 2 part like this? That thing I like shipping, eh? I know say you not ask me, that penalty na penalty. If you even hear the analysis just start, they say na clear penalty. The guy dive, that one go kill. That's how they go swim for river. Again, so they call kill. As you dive into, you call. It's just that kind of full goalkeeper. When they go check her.
So you clear penalty then.
Clear penalty, but England are their ways. I not say they fix the match. I not believe in poor and all those things. But if I talk like I no believe, normally I don't see when match close they blow the penalty back. It happen more than 3 times for Premiership. Man U, I know they call them because they be our rival, but it don't happen with them. Match not finish, they call back. They play penalty, they score. All that 2 teams, it they happen before. But not about that one shot. The ball na penalty, but if the ref not blow. Penalty or no penalty, normally we'll be the match.
All right, now, Oga Obama, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.